Hello everyone, my name is Jim Nora. I'm with Tomahawk Power, and today I'm here to talk to you about our portable generator sets. How do I troubleshoot a generator that won't start? So if it's brand new out of the box, number one, make sure you've added enough 10W30 weight 4-stroke motor oil to your Tomahawk generator. It will not start if you haven't done that. There are low oil sensors built in, and that's on purpose to prevent any unnecessary damage to the motor. Just like your car or automobile, if you don't have oil in that engine, you don't want to be running it. So that's number one, make sure there's enough oil in there. Number two, it could be as simple as making sure you have the on-off switch in the correct position on your generator. So little things like that, make sure you have everything taken care of. Look at your user manual, which comes standard in the box. And if you've checked the user manual, you're in the on position, you have enough oil in your generator, or you feel that you do, and you're following everything along and you're still having an issue, I always recommend call in to our highly trained service techs here at Tomahawk Power, and they can help you troubleshoot if there's anything further that needs to be done. What happens if I overload my generator? Well, on the generator itself will likely trip the breaker. So if you're overloading any portable generator, for the most part, the generator will shut off because it's just pulling too much power. There are overload sensors that come standard with all of Tomahawk's portable generator sets. So it will likely pop the breaker and shut itself off. Something you can do to prevent overloading, particularly if you feel that you've calculated your wattage requirements and it seems like it should be in line with the generator size that you have, you can do something called step loading. So what does that mean? Where you're running a couple corded power tools off of a TG3000i portable generator from Tomahawk. You may want to pull the trigger on one corded tool, wait 2 or 3 seconds, and then pull the other one. So what you're doing is called step loading, so it's not surging so much all at once, which could potentially pop the breaker. Can I parallel 2 Tomahawk generators for more power? Yes, absolutely. You can parallel any of Tomahawk's inverter style generators from the TG2000i all the way up to the TG17000i. Just make sure you're getting the proper parallel kit and cables. And make sure that, so when you're paralleling Tomahawk units, you're going to want to make sure you're using 2 of the same model. So if you have 2 TG2000Is, no problem, just get the parallel kit, you can connect them and very easily double your power. With our TG4500i EFI inverter generator, when you parallel 2 of these units, you also have the opportunity to step up in voltage from 120 to 220 volt. Paralleling is most commonly found in campsites, where you're using an RV, particularly if multiple people on a campsite have the same model. It's a very easy and quick way to double up your power availability. How does the Eco Mode work on Tomahawk Power generators? So a great way to think of the Eco Mode on Tomahawk generators is almost like a sports mode with a automobile. So, and basically what it does is the Eco Mode allows the engine inside the generator to adjust its RPMs based on the electricity being used. So if you're not using full power, that engine is going to be operating at a slower speed to help you save on fuel. So it's going to, over time, it'll definitely save you some money on your fuel cost, and it prevents, burning additional wattage that you're not even using. Without the Eco Mode, a generator is putting out full power at all times, whether or not you're using it in your application. Another benefit of Eco Mode is the fuel efficiency, right? So not only an upfront cost, you're not going to be using as much fuel, but your tank is going to last you that much longer. So if you're not using 100% capacity of your generator, if you're using 25 or 50%, that Eco Mode is going to make that fuel tank last a lot longer than it would otherwise. Still have questions or ideas for future videos? Be sure to leave them in the comments, and as always, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.